This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lucille Villanueva. Welcome to this beautiful townhome located in the desirable World Golf Village. Featuring an open floor plan, this home offers modern living with comfort and style. Enjoy a rated schools and convenient location close to shopping, restaurants, and easy access to I-95, providing quick travel to St Augustine and Jacksonville. The modern kitchen and dining area overlook a serene, tree-lined view perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, the split bedroom layout provides privacy for the primary suite, separated from guest or children's bedrooms. With a well-designed floor plan and great use of space, this home is a truly must-see. For more information, review the details below.